welcome you all in my surgery online class, and today we will going to discuss about the topic ranula. It is a cystic swelling which arises from the sublingual salivary gland and accessory salivary gland in the mouth. So this cystic swelling is present usually in the floor of the mouth, and this arises from the sublingual salivary gland and accessory salivary gland. Sublingual salivary gland and accessory salivary glands. These glands are a type of salivary glands known as glands of Blandin and Nernst. So these glands, sublingual salivary glands and accessory salivary glands, are a types of salivary glands known as glands of Blandin and Nernst. These are present in the floor of mouth. So this ranula is a cystic swelling which occurs in the mouth, and usually this occurs beneath the surface of tongue in the floor of the mouth. And this ranula, this cystic swelling, is actually a type of retention cyst. This is a type of retention cyst. This cystic swelling occurs in floor of the mouth beneath the surface of tongue, usually in the age of children's, usually in case of children's or in adults like teenagers. So at this time period in children and teenagers, this ranula oftenly occurred, and it is a cystic swelling of the floor of the mouth, arises from the sublingual salivary gland and accessory salivary gland, and this is called the glands of Blandin and Nernst. And in clinical features you will see this is a soft cystic swelling, very soft cystic swelling, यूजुअली नॉन टेंडर. जब तक कोई इन्फेक्शन नहीं है, सेकेंडरी इन्फेक्शंस नहीं है, इट इज नॉन टेंडर. फ्लक्चुएशन इज देयर because it contains some fluid inside. Fluctuation is there. It contains a serous fluid, a clear serous fluid is inside. Clear serous fluid. So that's why, because it contains a clear, very clear and serous fluid, so brilliant translumination is there. Brilliant translumination you will notice, and also you will see a bluish color appearance. This swelling is soft, cystic, non-tender with a bluish color appearance, and it has a serous fluid inside the cyst. So that's why it will give a bluish appearance, and also this contains this is lined by a very thin wall, thin mucosa, lined by thin mucosa. So you will see a bluish color. It is lined by a very thin mucosa. The cyst wall is very thin mucosa is lining around the cyst, and it contains a serous fluid. This cystic swelling is non-tender, soft. So surface is very soft. When you will examine, you will touch, it is very soft, and borders are diffuse, with diffuse borders. Soft to touch with diffuse border. Also in clinical features, in some cases you will notice plunging ranula. Ranula is a cystic swelling arising from the sublingual salivary gland and accessory salivary gland in the floor of the mouth. Plunging ranula is a intraoral cyst with cervical extensions. Cervical extensions means already फ्लोर जो है, मुंह का जो फ्लोर है beneath the surface of tongue, वहां पे एक cystic swelling present है, but this will have a extension into the myloid muscle and will produce a swelling in the submandibular region. So एक swelling तो मिलेगी floor of the mouth में, in the mouth, and एक swelling मिलेगी neck में, in the submandibular region. So there will be two swellings, there will be two components connected. This is what plunging ranula. When the intraoral cystic swelling with a cervical extension means the swelling will arise in the submandibular region. The swelling will appear in the myloid muscle and there will be submandibular swelling in the. So the one swelling is in the mouth and one is in the neck. The intraoral cystic swelling with the cervical extension. So there is one test, fluctuation test. Cross fluctuation test. Cross fluctuation test, especially for this purpose, to identify कि plunging ranula है कि नहीं है, उसके लिए एक टेस्ट है क्रॉस फ्लक्चुएशन टेस्ट. सो दिस विल आइडेंटिफाई कि नेक में एंड मुंह में एक सबलिंगुअल सलाइवरी ग्लैंड एंड दूसरा सबमैंडिबुलर रीजन, तो दोनों जगह पे स्वेलिंग्स है कि नहीं है, बोथ आर कनेक्टेड कि नहीं. सो दिस विल आइडेंटिफाई द two components connected. So क्या होगा अगर ये पॉजिटिव होगा, अगर ये क्रॉस फ्लक्चुएशन टेस्ट पॉजिटिव है तो क्या होगा, जब एक कंपोनेंट पे प्रेशर अप्लाई करेंगे देन whenever there will be pressure applied on the one component then there will be impulse on the another component. So then this test is positive, cross fluctuation test is positive. So this will give the relevant कि हाँ ये दोनों components present हैं, जो दोनों swellings हैं वो interconnected हैं. So this is a plunging ranula. Plunging ranula is a cystic swelling with the cervical extension. Cystic swelling present in the floor of the mouth with a cervical extension. So this will occupy the myloid muscle and will arise into the submandibular region. So one swelling will be in the neck region and one swelling in the floor of the mouth beneath the surface of tongue. So this is a plunging ranula. ये कभी कभी केसेस में मिलता है, वैसे सिंपल रेनुला मिलता है जो फ्लोर ऑफ द माउथ में होता है, बीनीथ द सरफेस ऑफ टंग होता है. दिस इज अ वेरी यहाँ पे ब्रिलियंट ट्रांसल्यूमिनेशन है बिकॉज सीरस फ्लूइड है, दैट इज वेरी क्लियर एंड सीरस फ्लूइड, सो इट विल गिव अ ब्रिलियंट ट्रांसल्यूमिनेशन. फ्लक्चुएशन पॉजिटिव है, सॉफ्ट है एंड विथ डिफ्यूज बॉर्डर्स. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर रेनुला हैज अ डिफ्यूज बॉर्डर्स विथ सॉफ्ट surface. And it is called a retention cyst. Why retention cyst? It is a type of retention cyst because etiology. The reason is this, because it occurs due to the obstruction of the ducts producing mucus. So that's why this ranula is a type of retention cyst, because it occurs due to the obstruction of the ducts producing mucus. and this arises from the sublingual salivary gland and a accessory salivary gland, a type of salivary glands which are known as glands of Blandin and Nunn. So ranula. Now in differential diagnosis we get confused with the sublingual dermoid cyst. But always remember that sublingual dermoid cyst is whitish in color and translumination नहीं है वहाँ पे. तो जब एग्जामिन करो तो ये पॉइंट हमेशा रिमेम्बर रखो, हमेशा याद रखो that sublingual dermoid cyst is whitish in color, whereas ranula is what? It is very brilliant translumination, you will notice, due to the clear serous fluid, and you will also notice a bluish discoloration because ranula has a very thin wall, thin mucosa से lined है ये, तो bluish color appearance मिलेगा. और जो sublingual dermoid cyst है ये whitish है color में. In treatment we will excise or we will remove the ranula, but surgery जो है बहुत मुश्किल है ranula के केस में because ranula is lined by a very thin cyst wall, बहुत thin mucosa से lined है, तो बहुत carefully dissect करना है इसको कि कोई इंजरी ना हो जाए इस आसपास, तो बहुत carefully dissect करना है, carefully dissect करना है. तो सबसे पहले जो है complete excision. Complete excision में we will remove the ranula with the cyst wall. We have to remove it wholly. We have to completely remove it, excise it. तो बहुत carefully dissect करना है क्योंकि हमें इसकी wall भी excise करनी है and wall is very thin. तो completely excision करना है. Then second way is mass supinization. So what we did in the complete excision, we removed the ranula completely with the cystic wall. जो thin mucosa है, lined by thin mucosa है, जो cystic wall है बहुत thin है, we will remove it completely. We will excise it completely. But in case of mass supinization, we will first give the incision. We will incise the ranula. Then we will do what? We will suture the wall of the ranula with the floor of the mouth. So we will do what? We will incise the ranula and we will suture the cystic wall of the ranula with the mucosa of the floor of the mouth. But हम कुछ portion जो exterior का जो है, we will leave that portion and we will leave it for the 5-10 days. And जब हम 5-6 दिन बाद check करेंगे after 5-10 days, then this cyst will get collapsed and there will be process of fibrosis. Fibrosis start हो चुका होगा और जो cavity है वो भी obliterate हो चुकी होगी. So this is the second way, mass supinization. This we will do in the case of simple ranula. जब oral floor of the mouth में ranula present है beneath the surface of tongue, we will not do in case of plunging ranula. Plunging ranula क्या था? जब intraoral cystic swelling है, but that had a extension into the cervical. That had a cervical extension. जब floor of the mouth में भी swelling है and neck में भी है. When the another swelling is appearing from the submandibular region. So जब दो components है, एक component पे pressure डाला तो दूसरे पे impulse आएगी. That is the plunging ranula. So we will not do the complete excision and the mass supinization in case of plunging ranula. Then complications कॉम्प्लिकेशंस कुड बी कि ये बार बार हो सकता है, रीअकरेंस हो सकता है, आपने ऑपरेट कर दिया, एक्सीज कर दिया, बट इट कैन रीअपियर अगेन एंड अगेन। ऑल्सो अगर साइज ग्रो होता जाएगा रेनुला का, सर्जन्स कंसिडर इट एज अ एक्स्ट्रावेसेशन सिस्ट, एक्स्ट्रावेसेशन सिस्ट, क्योंकि ग्रो करता जाता है। तो जब ये ग्रो करता जाएगा तो देयर विल बी डिफिकल्टी इन स्वेलिंग, मास्टिकेशन, बोलने में, सो पेशेंट विल हैव दैट डिफिकल्टी।